What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel, and more importantly, welcome to the NMRA World Finals in Bowling Green, Kentucky. Haven't missed one of these since like 2003. It's gonna be an insane weekend. Let's go watch some drag races. Friday, we were just getting lit off, and like I'm walking around and I see this Foxcast shirt, and there's like this little hottie wearing a Foxcast shirt. Oh, what's your name? Really? That's it? Well, anyway, guys, yeah, she's got the shirt on, so she obviously super cool. But current situation, yes, we are on property at the NMRA World Finals. Absolutely having a blast already, so just keep it tuned right here. I got so much more coverage for you. You are not going to believe it. Awesome. Guess who I run into? My man, Gary Windsor. And now, Gary, you got something's a little different from last year. Because like last year, we were bullshitting and doing our thing, and you had a little 311. So what's up with right now?
Well, last year we had a little 311 push rod in it.
Right.
And here we had some major lifter failure and destroyed the camshaft and the motor and all in it. So right before World Cup last year, we made a change to the Coyote.
Hell
Mike Washington had a Coyote laying around.
We know it's his motor because it says Michael Washington.
It says
right
Mike
there.
Washington, yes.
So huge shout out to Michael Washington,
yeah,
right?
Yeah, car owner extraordinaire.
Excellent.
And then me and Ryan Hecox, my crew chief, if you would like to call him that, put it in like 2 days.
That's awesome, dude. She running good?
This weekend it's running pretty good. It just won a 10:53.
Nice.
So I imagine that'll be mid-pack for this year.
Yep.
And hopefully this next round we'll turn it up and make it go a little faster.
Definitely. Bro, it's good to see you again, and good luck out there. We're going to be watching.
Thank you.
going to want to see, because I'm going to be bringing you another video from the NMRA World Finals for the next upload. You see right in there in that little SVO hood scoop, there's something at work with that car. And so obviously we're over here in the show area, and there's one other car that I had to show you, and I got some pictures of it last year. The car is ridiculous. Obviously Coyote. Yeah, this car is pure insane. Yeah, super cool build. But we were rocking it here Friday at the NMRA World Finals. Such a good freaking time. I love it. What do you think? So there you have it, day one, NMRA World Finals. The wife is definitely enjoying it, right? Yeah, she's chilling. She's a little tired. I'm a little tired. It's all good. We are chilling with Jay Meisner from Meisner Motorsports. Hold on, we gotta go see what he's doing. Because honestly, I think Jay has fired up the grill. And if you watch the channel, you know Jay. He's a man. Crazy Canadian. Dude, I thought you had the grill going already. How'd the car run?
I ran better that time.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No bumper dragging?
No, it was one of our best 60 flips ever, so that was good.
Hell yeah. She looked good.
Thanks.
Alright guys, so that is the deal. I will have all coverage all weekend long. It'll be epic. She's going to be helping me. And trust me when I say you're not going to miss all the drag racing, the car shows. We're just getting fired up. So, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And catch me next upload. Later, guys.